Hey, it's David with Bain Residential. I'm here at my new listing, 9802 Parkfield Drive in North Austin's Quail Creek. Fantastic home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. About to take you on a quick walkthrough of it. Just got done with an open house. It was packed. It's going to go fast. It's a fabulous home. It's got a ton of updates. And if you have any questions or want to know more or set up a showing, shoot me a direct message. Thanks. Entering the home, it's got a wonderful entrance area. You can see right away it's got 2 beautiful living spaces, one of which serves really well as a dining area, easy access to the kitchen, and a little nook for an office if you like, or just an entertainment center. Front door is a new mahogany door, new tile on the entryway, and then all new windows, flooring, roof. It's really something else. Great sitting area, lots of space, really nice high ceilings. As you can see, it opens up to the entryway and then right over to the kitchen space. Kitchen's got beautiful backsplash, quartz countertops, brand new cabinetry, new stainless steel appliances, floating bookshelves or floating shelving, and a great vent hood. One of the neat things about this home is the picture windows they put in here just provide a ton of light. French doors on both sides. So when you're in the kitchen or in the living area in the back, it's really just provides a great view to the outside. Really brings the backyard into the home, creating a great amount of space. One of the neatest features is this little semi-door. So if you want to get a little bit of breeze through, you can do that. And there are 2 of these on each side of each French door. So it's a really neat feature. You don't see that a whole lot. And it's been a big showing point, big hit with all the showings. The living area, the bedrooms, on the side of the house, creating, your own private space for the people that live in the home. Not a whole lot of reason for guests to come here, which is nice. It's a large master with its own patio door to the backyard, which is really neat. We got double vanities, beautifully updated bathroom, huge walk-in shower space, and of course a nice walk-in closet. We've got a guest room. Nice size space. Private, brings a lot of light into the room. Second guest room. One of the great things about having all of the rooms, the bedrooms on one side of the home, like I said a moment ago, is it just provides a lot of privacy for the people who live in the home. Beautifully detailed guest bathroom. Wonderful new fixtures. And then here we've got an independent mudroom here going through to the garage, which is fantastic. I'll take you upstairs. But before so, we'll give you one more look around the main living area. New carpet, of course. Then we come into a great, huge room that's perfect for a game room, office, home offices, workout area, media room, whatever you'd like. It's got a great accent wall. Take you out backyard, let you see that. Spacious, beautiful, large oak trees. And then you have the owner's suite here, which you could make a really nice private patio area. Do some really cool landscaping here to create a completely independent space for the owners of the property. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions or would like to set up a private tour, certainly send me a direct message or an email, and we'll make sure to get you taken care of. Thanks. Bye.